Hi, I'm here today with Nigel Francis, CEO of Lyft.
Good day.
Tell us a little bit more about the organization that recently celebrated its 10th anniversary.
Yeah, exactly. So, we're very proud of the fact that we're just over 10 years old now. We're based in Corktown in Detroit, along with a lot of other innovative organizations now, although we would say we were there before they were, actually. We operate together with the Department of Defense, a public-private partnership where we focus at the intersection between advanced materials, advanced manufacturing processes, and the digital and virtual systems that empower those things to be transformational for the future of US manufacturing.
Well, that's really the cusp of everything: materials, processing, manufacturing. Over the 10 years, what have been some of the accomplishments of the organization?
Well, that's a great question. So, multiple accomplishments with very great return on investment for the US taxpayer. Most of our funding, not all, but most of our funding comes from the Department of Defense. And so, not surprisingly, most of what we're doing is very defense-oriented, although it has dual-use technologies. So, just picking a few examples, we worked together with Boeing and a small manufacturing technology company called Bond that happened to be in northern Indiana. Together with them, we developed a technology and applied that technology, and the technology is called refill friction stir spot welding, and developed a handheld application that can replace rivets in airframes. Then that technology was applied as a proof of concept to the Apache attack helicopter, and through that we concluded that we can save at least $5 million on every airframe. Massive. We've also, from another angle, we work together with Ricardo, who are in the state of Michigan, developed an anti-rollover system for Humvees, because Humvees have over their lifetime had more and more mass added to them, armor, and they became very susceptible to rollover. So together with Ricardo and others, developed an anti-rollover system, and that is saving warfighter lives every day.
So it's not just advanced R&D, you're actually getting things into production relatively quickly.
Yeah, exactly, and thank you for that. So we're an accelerator, not an incubator. And as a smaller organization, one of the things that we should be doing is doing things quickly. So if you look at the Department of Defense, massive organization, enormous budget, hundreds of thousands, millions of people actually in the organization. And it's difficult for them to do things as fast as a smaller organization can. Not a criticism, it's just a reality. So we act quickly and deliberately to accelerate innovations into commercialization, and through that into the hands of the warfighter.
So you're also expanding your own operations with the new advanced metallic production and processing center?
Exactly.
So tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, so it's very exciting actually, and it really goes along with acceleration. So in our work for the DoD, where we're developing new materials and new processes for defense and general industry products, we found that it was impossible to get certain metallic alloys in wire, bar, and powder feedstock forms inside the US. Well, that's a bit of a problem if you need those for something that one of our warfighters is going to use. So we then looked at the marketplace and decided there was a white space in that market space, a need. There was a true market need in the US. So we worked together with our Department of Defense customer, and we are, as we speak, launching our AMP facility in Detroit. So in that facility, we're able to create these specialty alloys and make them in sufficient volume that we can go through the development phase, which is immediately before the scale-up phase that a large defense manufacturer will do, and do it all inside the US with US product, US people, and keep it for the benefit of us as a nation, our national security.
And do the partner companies, equipment makers, the OEMs actually work with you on site there? Or?
Yes, they do. So not all of them, but some of them do. And we're very grateful for that, and we enjoy the close collaboration. And, you know, when you're trying to accelerate something, getting everybody into one place, all aligned and all on the same mission and communicating collaboratively and concurrently is part of the magic of making things go faster. Yeah.
All right, well, thanks a lot for joining us.
Thank you very much. Thank you.